On today's roads, every detail matters, and the ThinkWare X1000 ensures you never miss a moment. Equipped with 2K QHD front and rear recording, Sony Starvis sensors, and a 150-degree wide view, it captures clear footage day or night. Powered by Super Night Vision 3.0, parking surveillance, and smart safety alerts, the X1000 is more than just a dash cam. It's your reliable co-pilot for every journey. In this video, we'll talk about these topics: unboxing, smart features, specifications, installation, app connection, safety precautions, and troubleshooting. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the ThinkWare X1000 front and rear dash cam, power cord with car charger and mounting accessories, documentation pamphlet. Want to grab the ThinkWare X1000 car dash cam from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features: capture sharp 2K QHD footage day or night with the X1000's 5.14 MP Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor and Auto HDR. Using DOL HDR and noise reduction, it minimizes glare and noise for clearer, more accurate nighttime recording. Powered by Sony Starvis technology, this feature delivers exceptional clarity in dark environments. It enhances sensitivity while reducing noise, so footage stays sharp and detailed even at night. Perfect for late drives, dimly lit roads, and parking surveillance. Conveniently adjust settings or review footage with the X1000's 3.5-inch LCD touchscreen. It features an IPS panel that makes viewing easy from any viewing angle and at any time of the day. Automatically triggers a 20-second recording when motion or impact is detected, capturing 10 seconds before and after the event. Stay alert with real-time warnings for lane departures, forward collisions, and more. These smart alerts help you react quickly to sudden changes. Extra protection that makes every drive safer. Specifications? Installation. In this video, we'll show you two methods to install your dash cam. Method 1. Via the cigarette lighter socket. Method 2. Via hardwiring your dash cam to your car's fuse box. Choose an installation spot that captures the full front view without blocking the driver's vision. Clean the windshield neatly for a proper adhesion. Insert a compatible MicroSD card into the dash cam before powering it on. The device will automatically format the card for first use. Always use a high-quality card to ensure stable recording and storage. Apply the heat-blocking film to the chosen installation area on the windshield. Remove the protective film from the adhesive mount and press it firmly onto the cleaned, selected surface. Adjust the angle so the camera is centered and level with the road ahead. Route the power cord to the vehicle's power outlet. Use the included wiring trim tool to hide the power cord underneath the vehicle's headliner and rubber seal along the A-pillar. Attach the car charger to the dash cam, then insert the DC-in plug into the car's cigarette lighter socket securely. Ensure the connection is firm and the dash cam powers on when the vehicle is started. Mount the rear camera at the top center of the rear windshield facing outward. Clean the glass, then secure the camera using the provided adhesive or bracket. Route the cable along the interior trim to the front unit and plug it into the main dash cam. Hardwiring the dash cam. First, turn your ignition off. Then find the cabin compartment fuse box in your vehicle. You can look for the exact location of your fuse box from the vehicle's user manual. Once you've found the cabin fuse box, proceed with the following steps. Step 1. Connect the hardwire kit to the device, then neatly tuck the cable along the edge of the headliner for a clean and secure installation. Step 2. Use a multimeter to test the fuses in your vehicle. Identify one that supplies constant power even when the engine is off, and another accessory fuse that only provides power when the engine is running. The VCC fuse should provide 12 volts even when the vehicle is off, while the ACC fuse should supply 12 volts only when the vehicle is running and no voltage when the car is turned off. Avoid using specific fuses like SRS, airbag, ABS, anti-lock braking system, or ECU, engine control unit, to prevent potential damage to your vehicle. Instead, use spare or unused fuse slots in the fuse box whenever possible. You can safely use non-critical fuses like the cigarette lighter, radio, or interior lights for accessory power connections. Step 3. Route the red VCC plus wire to the identified constant power fuse and secure the connection using an add a fuse tap or appropriate terminal method. Fuse taps are directional. The outer metal prong of the fuse tap is where power comes in. This prong must connect to the powered terminal in the fuse box, meaning the outer prong of the fuse tap should align with the metal contact in the fuse slot that supplies power. Step 4. Route the yellow ACC plus wire to a switched power fuse, ACC, using a fuse tap, ensuring the circuit is energized only when the ignition is in the ACC or run position. Step 5. Route the black ground wire to a clean, unpainted metal bolt on the vehicle's chassis and securely fasten it to ensure a solid ground connection. Set up with app. On your smartphone, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and download or install the ThinkWare Dash Cam Link app. Turn on your vehicle so the dash cam powers up. Then open the menu on its LCD touchscreen. Go to Settings, select Connectivity, then Wi-Fi, and switch it on. The dash cam will now broadcast its own Wi-Fi network. On your phone, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the dash cam's network using the default password. Launch the app, and once connected, you can see live view, download clips, and manage all settings from your phone. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your ThinkWare X1000 Dash Cam. See you at the next one.